10. Data entry. Data entry does not require any in-depth knowledge or training, the only requirements being the ability to use a computer and to be able to type well. Obviously, you will need basic language skills depending on the language being used. Accuracy is also important, and reliability to complete the tasks required. Earning more income is through the time spent entering data, typing speed, and whether the task is simple or complex. Many business sectors, such as education and retail, need physical data converted into an electronic format. This could include entering financial information into a spreadsheet or entering address details to a database. In fact, anything that needs converting raw data into electronic information for the business. It is also possible to make this a second source of income, working part-time against your other commitments. In order to make money with data entry, here are some steps you can take. There are many websites offering freelance data entry work, and these include freelancer.com, guru.com, fiverr.com, upwork.com, etc. If you type into Google freelance data entry job positions, sign up for as many job websites that you can. Search for data entry positions and start applying for them. There are thousands of positions, and usually it is possible to negotiate a fee. Remember though, as you are starting out, that you need to keep your fees low. Once you have had some successful tasks completed, you can use these as examples of the work you are able to do. Creating accurate work and meeting set deadlines will not only gain you experience, but it will also make you the first choice for that business when they need further work completed. Keep a diary of the different tasks you have completed and any testimonials or feedback you have received that you can use when applying for other data entry positions. Sign up for payments through a trusted third party, such as PayPal, that offers fast payments and also some protection for those payments. What sort of data entry jobs could you apply for? Filling forms with information provided by the company or by using prompts given by the company. Copying text data from one file format to another. Simple typing jobs, which normally need a competence of 30 words per minute. Entering inventories into a spreadsheet. This could be serial numbers, product names, and prices, etc. Copywriting and proofreading, reviewing articles and correcting grammatical errors and spelling. This could also include correctly formatting a document, such as adjusting alignments. Writing articles from files saved as image files, such as a JPEG file, and rewriting it into a Word document. Writing articles and reviews for a company's needs. This could be, for example, articles that appear on websites. Payroll. This could be creating payrolls into spreadsheets, including names, rate of pay, and so on. Capture entry. This is one of the simplest forms of data entry. There are many companies who need to register in large quantities on thousands of websites. They can create the automatic software to sign up on the websites, but there is no technology to solve these captures automatically. Generally, you will log in with a username and password and then begin to type out the captures. How much can I earn with data entry? It is possible to earn between $1 to $20 per hour, depending on what work you are undertaking and what company you are working for. It is also possible that you will earn by task rather than by hour. Make sure that with anything you are accepting online, that it is legitimate by researching the company and also making sure you have the software required to complete any tasks. Read any reviews available and remain in contact with your employer. Data entry will provide varied work that can be completed at home, so remember to be on time and accurate.